Phew. This batch of disciples have safely departed to answer the call. Oh, we had such a blessed time. Wouldn't you agree, Brother Menthol Cookie? And do you remember that cookie? The one adorned with tiny candy icings.
Ah, yes. It was a most pleasant encounter.
A face so pure and earnest. What was it that this cookie used to say? I bequeath my warmth to the godly breath.
Your memory serves you well. I must say, Seltzer Cookie, not even the slightest detail eludes you.
Oh gosh, did I hear this right? A word of praise? Even their eminence was smiling ever so slightly. I envy those believers truly. Long ago, I heard from a traveling missionary about the true deity. Infinitely merciful and kind to all, even to cookies like me, who lack a particular flavor. That day, I realized my life's purpose: to join the whole dough and stand before the Almighty. I remember how overcome with joy I was. I chose to follow the path of faith, but I believe that my calling extends beyond guiding devotees towards the godly breath. I hope that one day, I will also be chosen to answer the call, even though I know I'm far from ready yet.
Inscrutable are the ways of the Almighty. Perhaps your time is near.
My time is near. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh!
Sister Seltzer Cookie, are you unwell? For a moment you seemed disoriented.
I'm fine. Please don't worry. But when our time comes, who will guide the disciples called to paradise? That cookie who was supposed to take my place left us all too soon.
How foolish.
It pains my heart when I think that poor soul willingly turned away from our faith. Her chance to witness such a blessed sight gone. Not to mention all the trouble her departure has caused us. If only she realized patience truly is a virtue.
Even you, Sister Seltzer Cookie, and I have yet to be granted an audience. And yet, she stepped farther than even the most devoted believers. To stand before the veil unprepared. The holy avatar's exulting radiance alone can melt away one's dough and soul. It must have been beyond what the young disciple's mind could bear.
What a pity to lose such a promising sister. The teacher's most cherished disciple.
Alas, there is nothing we can do. Our duty remains unchanged. Let us proceed with the liturgy.
Yes, Brother Menthol Cookie.
We have submitted unto thy will. Let thy soul rest free from all worldly bonds.
It's been quite a while since I left the Republic. I hope everyone back home is safe and sound. Ugh, this place is giving me the creeps. Or is it my imagination? No. Those who persevere shall find their way. The light will guide me through the darkness. Do you see that? Someone is approaching. Is that a cookie?
That staff. Their eminence?
But how can it be? Everyone saw their eminence disappear that day. No one has ever returned from the rift.
If it's not their eminence, how did they get that staff?
Everyone, please cease this commotion. This sacred cathedral is a place of quiet prayer and contemplation in service to our godly creators.
Yes, hush now. While I do understand your surprise, a lone traveler visiting our temple is a rare sight indeed, but you must calm down. Let us greet this seeker. No way. Could this really be Their Eminence? Brother Menthol Cookie, do you believe this cookie to be Their Eminence High Fork Bearer?
Yes, I believe so, Sister Seltzer Cookie. Your Eminence. Is it truly you, Your Eminence?
So it's true? Their Eminence has returned?
Could that really be the High Fork Bearer? Something is not right.
How much time has passed? Your Eminence, High Fork Bearer. But is it truly you, Your Eminence? The High Fork Bearer of our order disappeared beyond the rift. If you are truly who you claim to be, you must prove it to us.
Brother Menthol Cookie!
Has your faith diminished in our absence? Approach, brother. See the sigil of the fork carved upon our dough. Impossible. And yet, it is true. Oh, Your Eminence, I am at your judgment. Forgive my lack of faith.
Oh, blessed be, the High Fork Bearer has returned.
Praise the godly grace!
Fellow devotees in dough, long was our imprisonment beyond the rift. At long last, we have returned. Heed us, for in our banishment, we witnessed the godly will. The sacred truth we sought so desperately has been revealed to us.
Praise godly creators!
Our path, the path we are all walking, will lead to salvation.
Your Eminence!
We have been reborn, our past flavor shed behind. You may call us Doayel, for we have ascended closer to the first dough.
Doayel! Your Eminence Doayel!
To this day, I feel deeply ashamed of my disbelief.
Brother Menthol Cookie, there is nothing to be ashamed about. No one would have believed a cookie could return safely from beyond that unholy rift in the sky. On the contrary, your resolve, Brother Menthol Cookie, has rooted out disbelief from our entire convent in an instant.
You think so? I do hope Their Eminence would see it that way.
Brother Menthol Cookie is so humble. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh! Cookies tainted by sea and mud. Hearken to me, hear me. Accept the words of Providence, and you may find deliverance. We bring the prospect of a promised land, rich in sunlight and firm soil. My friends, our time has come. Our path to paradise will be open soon, provided by Providence itself. We will no longer trudge through the mud. We will no longer be caught in the dark, groveling to see the light of the sun. Open your eyes, flush away the ignorance, unravel your hearts. Only then will Providence pave the way to the sky.
The path to paradise? Promised land of sunlight and firm soil? Where I won't have to scrabble in the mud day after day? Please, teach me!
In the name of the dough, the oven, and the witches,
I surrender my dough, weary and crumbly, to the godly creators.
Your Eminence Doayel, guide us to the promised land! Guide us, Your Eminence!
Devotees in dough, are there crumbs of doubt lingering in your hearts? Doubt clouds our devotion to the creators, beckoning temptation in its stead. in the name of the dough, the oven, and the witches. Let zeal and fervor reign in your hearts, guiding your prayers. Only then shall you witness the sacred glint of the godly forks. Only then shall you hear the call.
Praise godly creators!
Look at all those believers seeking the Providence's mercy. How wonderful! It reminds me of Mother Superior's words.
May the creators watch over you.
All in their will.
I can't help but wonder what the High Fork Bearers saw within the rift. Their Eminence mentioned witnessing the godly will. A miracle.
This book is just as useless as the others.
Brother Menthol Cookie looks so serious, focused on that book. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. That book was delivered from the Republic by those merchants, correct? Your dedication to High Fork Bearer Doayal's teachings is truly remarkable.
It is only logical, Sister Seltzer Cookie. One must always strive to understand the tenets of faith, its essence, rather than following them blindly. Sister Seltzer Cookie, the godly creators are the ones who shall bring salvation upon Earthbread. Naturally, the doctrine of our order is built upon logic and is free of fallacy.
Oh, of course. You're right, Brother Menthol Cookie. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh!
The teachings of their Eminence Doayel ring in holy truth so pure, so crystal clear, that even a skeptic like myself could cast aside all doubt and ascend closer to the godly. To achieve but a mere crumb of their brilliance, I must be tireless in my search for truth.
Did you find any traces of knowledge about the godly creators or the holy avatar in this book?
Barely. Even a modicum of knowledge can be quite challenging to obtain. When I first laid my eyes on this map that resembled a cookie, it was as if I had felt the touch of the Almighty.
At first, I thought it was just an old map, but thanks to your explanation, Brother Menthol Cookie, I can see the image of the whole dough. The proof that it was by the grace of the godly hands that we, cookies, were brought upon this land.
Although we know very little, one thing is certain. Our gods once walked these lands. Their Eminence Doayel speaks of the coming of the promised day. The day when the creators return to our world.
Yes. Do you remember, Brother Menthol Cookie, how sorrowful and forlorn was the holy avatar when their Eminence emerged from the rift?
Indeed. Their Eminence forbade approaching the holy avatar, fearing that its glorious radiance would smite believers of less mature faith.
The holy avatar's heart must have suffered, filled with pity and compassion for us lowly cookies. But now when more and more devotees are answering the call of paradise, its visage has changed. And yet, the holy avatar's eyes have never opened. Not once.
It is said that when all devotees in Do follow the call and ascend to salvation, then, and only then, will the holy avatar open its eyes in joy.
Oh, I can't wait for that day to come.
In the name of the dough, the oven, and the witches,
may thy grace guide us towards our destiny.
In the name of the dough, the oven, and the witches.
Oh my, that's...
Sister Milfoya Cookie? I heard about what happened in the Republic. What a relief it is to see you back.
Oh, sister, I have returned in shame after my failure.
What are you saying, Sister Milfoya Cookie? You've done our order a tremendous favor by spreading the word of our faith in the Republic. Oh, dear sister, the road must have been long and arduous. Look, your face is covered in crumbs and dust. It breaks my heart to see you like this.
Welcome back, Sister Milfoy Cookie. I understand that you must be weary from the road, but High Fork Bearer Doael is expecting you. This way, please.
Your Eminence Doael, I beg your forgiveness. I failed, Your Eminence. Failed before those infidels who refused to see the truth that is our faith. They took away all that I'd built with such care over the years. All those innocent young believers lost their purpose and turned away from the light of the godly creators. All I could do was watch them do their blasphemous work.
Sister Milfoy Cookie.
Your Eminence, I know I have no right to be in this holy place. Not after I brought such shame upon this order. And yet...
Worry not, sister. Your journey of faith was destined to lead you here.
My heart yearned to come back, to be humbled before the sacred forks once more, to offer my prayers to the godly creators.
Raise your head, Sister Milfoy Cookie. Indeed, through countless prayers, we sang praise to the godly creators in hopes of welcoming their advent to this land. And yet, observe. Take a look at the Providence's messenger, our beloved avatar of destiny. Do you see the same holy visage as before, when you departed for the Republic?
Oh, in the name of the dough, I can't believe my eyes. The holy avatar has become complete.
Yes, the zealous prayers of the believers, all the devotees in Do who chose to answer the call. We see it clearly now. Little by little, it all nurtured and nourished you. You, O Avatar of Destiny, sent to us by godly grace, will bring everything to completion.
Avatar of Destiny.
We saw it all, Sister Milfoy Cookie, on that fateful day, when we fell through the shattered sky to a place where all reason, all the worldly logic crumbled away. We saw the complete vision. The perfect avatar, ascending towards the Almighty, guiding all desert creatures of our world to stand before the godly creators. Indeed, we saw it, an epiphany bestowed by a great witch, in which she was unmaking her creations into pristine dough. A vision to us, a vision to guide us to paradise, no doubt. Very soon, our beloved avatar will regain its promised form. And this, Sister Milfoy Cookie, means only one thing.
Praise godly creators.
The calamities plaguing these lands, the mysterious force that grows stronger by the day, all fates of this world are converging towards their destined completion.
All dough shall become one.
Indeed, dear sister. The hour is nigh for all cookies to become ingredients for the grand recipe of fate. And then, we are certain of it. Only then will the Avatar of Destiny finally lay its eyes upon us.
Brother Menthol Cookie, did you hear that just now? I didn't mean to eavesdrop. I simply happened to overhear.
Ingredients?
Oh, so I did hear that right. What could their eminence possibly mean?
Could they be talking about the devotees who have answered the call? But that would mean that their eminence's teachings are... No, impossible.
Sometimes all you need is a good old break to clear your head. Huh? What's that building over there? The light of the divines always shows the right path. What was that just now? Could have sworn I saw something. Who goes there? That cookie.
Open your eyes. Flush away the ignorance. Unravel your hearts.
That cookie is from the Republic. One of those missionaries who preached a religion different from the teachings of the glorious Celestials. Here, of all places? Hey, wait! Where are you going? I wanted to talk, not race! Whew. Oh, I almost lost that cookie. Looks like she went inside. But what is this temple? My paladin senses are telling me something's not right. A cultist from the Republic, here, in this place. Could it be the Order's base of operations? 'Tis a paladin's duty to investigate. What a grim temple. It looked almost abandoned from the outside, but here, I can't shake off the feeling of being watched. By the light, all those cookies! And that, standing in the front, must be their leader! The rest are listening to the words with great attention. I can't make out a word from here.
Teach us, Your Eminence. O godly creators, masters of the first oven, forgive our sinful doughs for fleeing from your sacred plates.
Yes, the almighty bakers await with open arms, ready to forgive any cookie who wishes to return to their bosom. Fellow devotees in dough, the time has come for us to return to our destined home. The dough must stay as one. Therefore, unite we must in the whole dough, bound by shared faith and shared fate.
Whole dough! Whole dough!
Today, our thoughts are with our fellow devotees, who answered the call of paradise and ascended. Behold, the silhouette of our holy avatar.
What is taking place? I have a bad feeling about this. I must return to the Krem Republic at once and inform the Knights. We ought to conduct a proper investigation. I must leave before they find me.
This way, fellow devotees!
Who dares to intrude upon their eminence's holy sermon on such a momentous day? Show yourself!
Spoke too soon.
You bear the colors of the Krem Republic. What brings you here? Have you come in search of guidance? If you wish to commune with the godly creators, you are welcome here.
Such blasphemy in the face of a paladin! An insult to my honor and the celestial light! But I'm clearly outnumbered to draw my sword now.
Only you don't seem like a seeker of their grace. In that case...
Should we lock him up in the dungeon?
Oh, wait a moment, please. This is perfect. Their Eminence Doyal's sermon. Book of Salt, 4-2. The sweetest cookie chosen by the Almighty thou shalt know. O chosen one, may their Eminence's words deliver you succor.
Sucker!
Very well. Our faith teaches that any cookie can find redemption in the Almighty Creator's embrace. Let us head to the cathedral. One last thing. You will be restrained. We cannot risk any disturbances at the hands of new converts.
Yes, Brother Menthol Cookie.
Ouch! Be careful! Watch the dough!
Silence!
Oh, if I only turned back sooner! There's no other choice but to use this as an opportunity to learn more about the Order's doings.
The very firmament cracked, as if the Almighty themselves were testing our faith. And from those cracks, spawn of darkness poured forth without end. And not even the wisest cookies of magic could comprehend such a calamity. Allow us to share the events of that fateful day with you.
Your Eminence! Look! The sky! Something's terribly wrong!
The sky is cracking like a pane of glass. What is this omen?
Ah! Your Eminence! Something is coming out!
Fear not, brother. I shall climb up the steeple and take a closer look.
No, Your Eminence! It's too dangerous! Your Eminence!
Never in any book, never in any tale have I encountered such a thing. What is the nature of this phenomenon? And what lurks beyond this rift? Such power. Such immense power. No, impossible. Could this be the coming of the Almighty? I wish to get closer. Oh, divinity! Deliver me to thee! I can't move my dough. A foolish mistake. But, where am I? What is this? What is this place? I don't want to be here! Creators, help me! Creators, help me! What's that? By the Almighty! What is this wretched being before me?
I must know.
I have to know the truth.
Creators, the witches, about the cookies.
What?
Why? How did it come to this?
All I ever wanted was freedom.
Must I accept the fate handed down by the witches?
All these cookie souls are converging within that entity? What is this? Oh, Almighty One, am I seeing an unholy apparition? Or a sacred revelation? A beautiful winged angel approaching thee? Thy divinity, watching over our world from above. What is it? This space! By the dough. That is the angel I beheld in the rift. Of course, I understand now. Yes, I was taken there for a reason. Oh, godly creators! By your grace, I was granted this vision and brought back. I see that you have a purpose for me. This is the messenger who shall herald your advent to our lands. Yet it is wretched, sorrowful, incomplete. To nurture it, to help it achieve completion, and to usher you hither, shall be my sacred mission. With great humility, upon my fragile dough, shall I take up this holy cause. Fellow devotees, salvation awaits everyone who joins the whole dough. Today, our beloved avatar shall achieve completion, and we shall fulfill our destiny. Rejoice, my flock!
What happened on that day, when the skies above the Republic shattered, happened here too, taking their leader. But later, they returned together with an angel-like being? These cookies wish to become the whole dough and help this being from the rift achieve its complete form? But how? Does this creature...
You there. Did you listen closely? Have you committed our faith to your heart now?
Ha ha ha! Even though the odds are not in my favor, as a paladin, I shall never turn to such heresy!
What?
The Divines commanded me to save our world!
I pity you! You will turn to crumbs and will never join our godly creators! The Almighty doesn't grant salvation to the likes of you! You are an insult to the priests! Their only wish was to show you the truth! You have no place in these hollowed halls! Take them to the dungeon!
Excellent! While I'm clearly outnumbered in this hall, once outside, I can easily deal with this cookie! Ha! I'd rather rot in the dungeon than listen to this nonsense!
Let us begin the ceremony, fellow priests.
At last, I hear the call.
May the creators watch over you.
May the creators watch over you.
Oh, Almighty, to witness the holy avatar like this!
Indeed. What a blessed sight.
Praise godly creators. I shall answer the call and stand before the holy avatar.
Is that what it means? To join the whole dome?
Oh, godly creators, witness this wondrous sight. Holy Avatar, I can finally hear the call.
Your Eminence!
Sister Seltzer Cookie!
Brother, something is terribly wrong. All these rites.
Brother, sister, blessed be your souls. It is my turn to answer the call.
No! Stop!
Sister, stay back! If you step closer, you'll be in danger. All those cookies. The Avatar consumed them. We can't stop Doael. But we must stay calm and save the worshippers.
The worshippers!
We all wished for them to find salvation, didn't we?
Yes! We must save our fellow devotees! Everyone! Heed my words! Come this way!
Do not approach the Holy Avatar! Stay back!
Godly creators, their eminence has reached the holy avatar!
Oh, holy avatar!
Oh, Almighty! Behold! Oh, godly creators! We shall fulfill our calling!
This can't be happening!
No! This is but a test of my faith! I shall follow their eminence!
No! Hide warfare!
Seltzer Cookie, we must leave this place! Whew!
finally got rid of that white mask and those ropes.
And we shall fulfill our destiny.
Those cookies were planning something terrible. A sacrifice to their gods? Can I really leave them to their devices? No. There's only so much I can do alone. I need to get out of here first.
Sister Seltzer Cookie. Are you all right?
I don't know anymore.
What on earth, Brett, happened here?
That cookie from the Republic. He managed to escape. Good.
You two! You're in the presence of a paladin! Why are you not fighting back?
Ah, you are a paladin of the Crumb Republic. As you can see, the worshippers are abandoning the temple. There is no point in fighting anymore.
You must go back to the Republic.
I've seen enough in this divine forgotten corner of Earthbread. All your evil doings shall come to light. Know that I will come back with reinforcements!
No. That won't be necessary.
Brother? Brother Menthol Cookie! Sister Seltzer Cookie! Huh? Praise godly creators, I found you! Please, tell me. Tell me what happened. Did their eminence ascend to the realm of the Almighty? Just like on that day, when the sky shattered?
Oh, my dear, I don't...
What are you saying, sister? You told us to rejoice. You promised to guide us. Will you stay with us? Will you keep teaching us until the day their eminence returns?
No, that's not what Their Eminence... Doael is...
No. We don't think Doael will ever return.
I don't understand. What awaits us now? Please, what does our faith tell us? What must we do?
I can't help you. Our faith was a lie. Forgive me.
And so, the order has fallen.